and bust down. Over here at Rap Daddy's, man, they getting to it. I got the gold G-Wagon. Man, this bitch hard. This bitch hard, man. Another AMG. The Coupe. Bust down and ready to rap, man. Bust everything down. That's all.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Big as like a motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the roof. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Big as like a motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out hopping out the evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about to water, I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with the bloods, I was anemic. I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, ways luxury, have you seen them? Got me looking like I'm out about it, fun as my demeanor. Here at the location, then I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm trying to get a beamer. Trying to get the bag of women popping out the show. And I only act that woman putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pay me like I'm Kirkle, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, ex Mario, you know. Sneaking in the building, and I'm coming out the window. Got no baby mama, but I.
Hey, hey, Peyton. Guess what they're having this weekend at Yellow Belly?
What they having?
That's that roll right there.
B-58 shootout.
Chopped out really nice.
I'm dead ass serious.
This here, man. Wow.
It's some kind of BMW.
What color y'all going on this one?
It's like 30 BMW niggas going up there and like X3s and
Damn, this thing clean. Y'all going red on this one?
We're just doing red accents.
That's badass right there.
Need a couple widows, love me when I'm down, but it's hate when I get sendo. Heavy in the back because I'm black and got the stilo. Promising it never gonna be another me though. I can have a win some rings even when I'm getting zero. Dog 30 heat, King James, you a hero. Tryna do as the Romans, everybody can't be Nero. Walk like, talk like, move like, juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Big as like, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the ooh. Walk like, talk like, move like, juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh.
Man. Boy, y'all keep some cool shit up in here, man.
my dad's the real reason why I know so many people.
Just over here at the rap shop still. Fucking my partner right here. Josh, he in here getting it together. We wrapping up this AMG. And they did the Lamborghini. I didn't get a chance to work on that one. They got some cool stuff up in here. Man, they got all kinds of cool shit going on over here. Little golf, pretty cool. That was pretty good. Guess they finna wrap it back purple. That's clean. That's a clean little stance. This Beamer. That's pretty clean. And then they got a slingshot down here, man. Got a slingshot over here. I definitely can tell that that's wrap. Man, but look at this slingshot, man. Oh, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. I like that right there, man. That's hard. FJ Cruiser. Got this little Beamer. That's pretty clean. Oh man. Over here at old Rap Daddies. Yep. Yeah. So as y'all can see, I got bored. I decided it's time to come and get some action. So I came to the legendary Yellow Belly. I didn't know what other tracks was gonna look like, so I decided it'd be best I come over here. So man, yeah, I'm about to have a good time. Just enjoy a little bit of action, just for a little bit, and then get out here, get up, and get ready to go to the shop early in the morning. So y'all just stay tuned. This one's gonna be a lit one. going. Damn.